So my cube or no cube video really blew up over the last few days. So if you haven't seen it, this is a video where a spinning cube just disappears if you pause the video or if you take a screenshot. So thanks for all the views and the comments. It's been really good to read all those comments. Thanks for that. Many people were asking about if you could show text in this way, which I hadn't tried, but I have now, so just keep watching. And some people were wondering if there was sort of security or encryption possibilities, sort of hiding text in static in this way, which probably isn't going to work, as many other people also pointed out in the comments. It's very easy to sort of re-engineer, reverse engineer the video from one frame to the next and recover, the things that are changing. So anyway, let's play a game. This video will show some text on the screen that you can try and read. See if you can spot what it says. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you found it easy to read or hard to read, and we'll see what everyone thinks. So in part one here, I'm going to pass you my username by flashing it up on the screen in the same there but not there technique, and you can see it flashing there. It flashes about 1/4 of a second in this section. This is the easy mode. Maybe you can see a few words appearing. You can figure out what my username is, and then we'll see. This will keep going for another few seconds. We'll get into part two. Part two is hard mode. The text appears for a much shorter period for each word, but my password is there. So you see if you can figure out what my password is using whatever technique you've got available. Maybe you can just see it. Maybe you need to scrub backwards and forwards and freeze frame it or something. Flick between the different frames. But anyway, once you get the username and password, drop them in a comment. Let me know how easy you found it, whether you did find part one easier than part two. And we'll see what everyone makes of this as a technique. So thanks again for watching. Thanks for all the comments, and I'll see you next time.